Today we are going to learn 10th standard relations and functions exercise 1.3 7th sum. An open box is to be made from a square piece of material 24 centimeter on a side by cutting equal squares from the corners and turning up the sides as shown in the figure. Express the volume V of the box as a function of x. So this is a square piece of 24 centimeter. So it is a square piece of 24 centimeter by cutting equal squares from the corners. Now we are going to cut corners at the corners equal squares. So we are going to cut equal squares from the square piece. Now all the sides are 24 centimeter. Now I am going to cut a equal part of a square. All the corners. Which part I have cut? Let it be x. Let it be x. From the 24 centimeter I have cut x. I have decreased minus x. So totally I have decreased minus 2x. Here also from the total length 24 I have decreased x. So minus 2x. So this is the length, breadth. And what is the height here? The portion height is x. So when I turn this remaining part up, we'll get a shape of a cuboid. When you turn the portion of this paper slowly, if you turn it up, both the sides we are going to turn up. Here we are going to turn up. We will get an open box. It will be in the shape of a cuboid. So that the length is 24 minus 2x, b equals to breadth is 24 minus 2x, and h, the portion which we have cut, is the height gives you the value of x. Now we have to find the volume of the cuboid. So the volume of the box, when we cut equal parts on the side, we had a shape of a cuboid. Therefore volume of a cuboid formula, we know that length into breadth into height, cubic units. The length value is 24 minus 2x. 24 minus 2x into the height is x. The next step, 24 into 24, 576. 24 into minus 2x. First multiply the numbers. 24 into 2, 48. Remaining x, plus into minus, minus. Next is 24 into 2, 48. Remaining you have an x, minus into plus, minus. Next is 2 2s are 4, x into x square, minus into minus, plus. At last we have 1x. So 576 minus 48x, same sign, add and write the sign of the greater number. Minus 96x plus 4x square into x. So x means x belongs to everything. This x belongs to everything. So 576 into x gives you 576 into x. Minus 96 into x gives you minus 96 x into x square. X into 4x square gives you plus 4 into x square into x cube. So we'll write in the standard form 4x cube minus 96x square plus 576x. So this is the volume of the cuboid. So once again, a square sheet is there. Now we are going to cut an equal part, square shaped part at the corners. When you remove the corners, a portion is removed. Let it be x. From the 24 centimeter, we are cutting x parts. So actually it was 24. After cutting, we will get 24 minus 2x on both the sides. So that the length is 24 minus 2x, breadth is 24 minus 2x. The portion cut we have, height is x. So just turn up the paper up. We can find the shape of the paper is in cuboid. So that if you find the volume of the cuboid, gives you the volume of the box. Thank you, children.